and that is how to get cheap car insurance at 18. Hey there, future road warrior. Welcome back to the channel where we help you navigate the twists and turns when it comes to car insurance. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into it. Today we are jumping into a topic that is very important for all new drivers, especially if you just started driving, and that is how to get cheap car insurance at 18. Car insurance is a huge expense, especially if you are a new driver. Sometimes it costs young drivers $300-400 every single month just to keep their car on the road. The younger you are, the more you're going to pay. But in today's video, I will be sharing some very important strategies to help you get a lower payment. So if you just got your car, you want to keep it on the road, make sure you watch this video all the way through. Tip number 1, shop around. Never settle for the first quote. That is how you end up paying a lot more. Car insurance can vary between different companies. Some companies charge more, other companies charge less. That is why it is important to check multiple companies. And you're in luck. There's a tool down below, and it is a insurance comparison tool. All you gotta do is enter in your information, and it will compare multiple car insurance companies to give you the best possible price. Link will be in the description box below. But the more you shop, the more you're going to save. But here's a pro tip. Make sure to check all the national companies, the really big ones like Geico, Progressive, Nationwide, Allstate, but also check your local companies, the ones that are based in your city or your state. Sometimes they are able to provide you the best possible price. But compare. It is also worth noting that insurance prices change. So the price you're getting today might not be the same price you'll get 3 months or 6 months from now. That is why if you're paying too much right now, wait a couple of months, shop around and see what other prices you're going to get. Prices change over time. The older you get, the cheaper insurance will be for you. So if you just started driving and you're like 17, 18, you will have to do a lot of shopping around in order to get the best rate. The older you get, the more money you're going to save. Tip number 2, consider a higher deductible. A lot of insurance companies will give you a $500 deductible. A lot of them will allow you to raise it much higher, all the way up to $8,000. Some will even let you raise it all the way up to $1,500. So if you get into a wreck, now you have to pay more out of pocket in order for your insurance to kick in. But if you don't plan on getting into wrecks, then you can increase your deductible, thus causing your monthly payment to go lower. Obviously, guys, raising your deductible is a little bit risky, but if you're spending $500 a month, $300, $400 a month for coverage, it might be worth it. So definitely check your deductible. Raising your deductible from $500 to $8,000 can potentially save you $50 to $100 on your insurance coverage for your vehicle. So definitely weigh those pros and cons when it comes to your deductible. Tip number 3, bundle up. If you can bundle multiple policies, you will be saving even more money. Let's say you have very helpful parents and they want to help you save some money. You can ask them to put you on their insurance policy to bundle your car with theirs, or with their homeowner's insurance, or their renters. Any way you can bundle, even if you add a motorcycle, a boat, or whatever you have, or your parents, you can bundle everything together to save even more money. But let's say you're living on your own and you're renting an apartment, you can get a renter's policy with your auto insurance policy, thus saving you even more money. There has been a lot of cases where you add your vehicle and you're paying $300 a month. Then you add a whole new rentals policy and you bundle them together. Now you're securing your vehicle and your apartment, and your payment goes from $300 to $200. You're getting way more coverage if you're simply bundling up. So definitely look to bundle. Another pro tip, if you are a student, ask about a student discount. If you get good grades, chances are your insurance company will allow you to use your good student status to give you a good discount on your policy. So definitely ask about the student discount. Tip number 4, keep a clean driving record. The cleaner your record, the more money you're going to save. I know a lot of young drivers, they want to drive fast, but those tickets, the accidents, other violations will definitely cost them a ton of money in the future. An accident can stay on your record for up to 7 years. Also, speeding tickets, other violations can stay on your record between 3 to 7 years, meaning your premiums, your monthly payment will be much higher for years and years and years, thus causing you to spend even more money. So drive safe, keep your record clean, and save the most money. A good driving record will show the insurance company that you are a low-risk driver, meaning the chances of you getting into a wreck or you getting a speeding ticket are much less, and this can result in much lower premiums and you saving money. Another pro tip, if you want to get an even bigger discount, you can take a defensive driving course. A lot of insurance companies, including the one that are in the comparison tool in the description box below, will give you a discount if you have taken a class in the last 3 years, a defensive driving course. So make sure you check that comparison tool out and think about taking that quick course in order to save some money. Tip number 5, take advantage of discounts. A lot of insurance companies will reward safe and smart drivers. A lot of companies will look at your vehicle to see what kind of safety features it has in order to provide you with more discounts. So if you have anti-lock brakes, if you have other security features on your vehicle, chances are you can get discounts for those. You can also get an even bigger discount by installing an aftermarket security device in your vehicle, such as a very loud alarm. So think about that as well. Sometimes a lot of insurance companies will not automatically apply these discounts. So it is important to ask for discounts. Do not be shy. Do not be worried. Ask for as many discounts as you can possibly get. And here's a bonus tip. Review your policy regularly. Insurance is not something that you set and forget. You have to stay on top of your insurance, especially if you want the lowest prices possible. You have to regularly review your insurance policy and your coverage in order to get the best deal. If you switch vehicles, if you move, if you change zip codes, if you get better grades, if you upgrade parts of your vehicle to improve its safety and other things, chances are you could be saving even more money. And so definitely review your policy every couple of months. So those are 5 tips that can help you get cheap car insurance when you're 18. Remember, it is awesome to save money, so try to implement as many of these tips as you can. And don't forget to check out the car insurance comparison tool in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos just like this one. Peace out.